Hello everyone. Today we will solve a gas mixture stoichiometry problem. We will analyze an industrial flue gas using the ideal gas law to find molar composition, volume composition, density and specific gravity. Here is our problem. We have a flue gas sample from an industrial furnace with a specific mass composition. Look at this percentage: 55% carbon dioxide, 35% nitrogen and 10% oxygen by mass. Now our goal is to find four key things at 40 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter of mercury pressure. First, the molar composition. Second, the volume composition. Third, the gas mixture density. And finally, the specific gravity relative to air. Now here we must remember the atomic mass of carbon is 12.01, nitrogen 14.01 and oxygen 16. So that atomic mass we'll use for the calculation. Now first we have to do the molar analysis, means mass to mole conversion. So here I am using a basis of 100 grams of mixture, gas mixture. So this makes the math much easier because the percentage become direct masses. Let's walk through each component. For carbon dioxide, we have mass 55 gram and molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44.01. So from here we can easily calculate moles. 55.0 divided by 44.01, so that will be 1.250. So nitrogen mass is 35% mass in the gas mixture. So here directly we can write that nitrogen is 35 gram. Now molar mass of nitrogen we know that 28.02. So from here we can convert moles of nitrogen 35.0 divided by 28.02. So that is 1.249. For oxygen, 10 grams oxygens are there, 10 gram and molecular weight 32 gram per mole. So for oxygen, 10 grams divided by 32 gives us 0.313 moles. Now adding these up, so 1.250 plus 1.249 plus 0.313 equals 2.812 total moles. So this total is crucial for our next step calculation. So here total moles is 2.812. Now next, molar and volume composition. So molar percentage calculation. So we know that carbon dioxide means we already calculated that carbon dioxide moles is 1.250, nitrogen 1.249 and oxygen 0.313 and total is 2.812. Now here molar percentage, so individual mole divided by total mole. So this is total mole, individual mole of carbon dioxide is 1.250 into 100, so that is 44.5% of carbon dioxide. So molar percentage of carbon dioxide is 44.5. Similarly nitrogen 1.249 divided by 2.812 into 100, so that will give 44.4 molar percent. And oxygen molar percentage is 0.313 divided by 2.812 into 100, so that is 11.1. So if we add 44.5 plus 44.4 and plus 11.1, so that will give 100. So from here we can easily got the molar percentage. Now step 3 is density calculation. So here we will calculate the gas mixture density. So let me set up our known data. So here temperature is 40 degrees centigrade, so that means 313 Kelvin, and pressure is 760 mmHg, and N total we already calculated in earlier slide, so that is 2.812 mole, and mass is 100 grams. Now if you see the unit, based on that unit we have to choose R. So here R is 62.36 mmHg liter by mole into Kelvin. So from ideal gas law we can easily calculate the volume. V is nothing but nRT by P. So we have all this data, so plugging all this data, N is equal to 2.812, R is 62.36, T is 313 and P 360. So if we do the calculation we'll get the volume from the ideal gas law, 71.7 liter. Now mixture density. So we know the mass, we know that is 100 gram, and volume we got that 71.72, sorry, 7 liter. So from that we can easily get the raw mixture. So 1.39 gram per liter. So that is the mixture density. Now here at particular temperature and pressure we have to calculate the air density. So air density we can calculate. So rho is Pm by RT. So here P is given 760, M is the molecular weight of the air 28.97, the R is 62.36, and T is 313. So from that we can easily get the raw air 1.128 gram per liter. So now here we can also calculate that average molecular weight. So total mass of the gas mixture is 100 and total moles is 2.812. So total mass by total moles is nothing but average molecular weight. So that is 35.6 gram per mole in mole. And specific gravity, we know that density of gas mixture divided by density of air. So here that density of gas mixture is 1.39 and density of air is 1.128, so that is 1.23. Specific gravity of the gas mixture relative to air, that is 1.23. Now here we give the complete analysis. So volume composition, carbon dioxide is 44.5%, nitrogen 44.4%, oxygen 11.1%, density 1.39 gram per liter, specific gravity 1.23, and average molecular weight is 35.6 gram per mole. And if I do the summary table, means if I put all together in as a summary, so component carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen, so mass percentage is 55.0, and that is for carbon dioxide, nitrogen is 35.0 and oxygen 10.0, so that is total 100. And moles, so moles is 1.25 and nitrogen 1.249 and oxygen 0.313, so that is 2.82 the total moles. And molar mass, mole percentage or molar percentage, we got 44.5 for carbon dioxide, 44.4 for nitrogen, and 11.1 for oxygen, so that is 100. And we know that mole percent is equal to volume percent, so that volume percent also will be same. So carbon dioxide volume percent is 44.5, nitrogen 44.4 and oxygen 11.1. So if we add together again, that is the total will be 100. So that's the way to calculate the molar percentage, volume percentage, density, specific gravity. That's it. Thank you.